Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to talk about our YouTube channel, like how we can use the analytics of our YouTube channel to get an idea about our audience, to get an idea about the content that we should make on, and we can get an idea like the viewers, what kind of content they are interesting in, and what kind of videos are they are watching the most, so that we can schedule our videos accordingly. We can plan our week so that we can make that kind of content that the audience wants to watch, and so that we can complete our watch time. So right now basically we are at the dashboard of our channel, tutorials modern. You are watching my video on tutorials modern. Okay, so this is the dashboard. In the center you can see the total number of subscribers. You can see the summary of last 28 days in terms of views as well as watch time, and you can also see the top videos that are getting most of the views in the last 48 hours. Okay, so that's the short analytics of my channel. But if I want to expand my analytics of my channel to lifetime, or you can say 1 month, 2 months, or for a year, 365 days, so I will have to go to the analytics sections. On the left side you will see this option. After the content section you will see an option analytics, and this is the analytics of my channel. So far in last 20 days I have got 15,916 views, and 277 watch time hours, and 31 subscribers I have gained. And in the last 48 hours you can see that I have gained 999 views, 999 views. Okay, so in the audience section you can move to the audience section, and here you can see the monthly audience is like 14,000 around in 28 days. And audience by watch behavior mostly are the new viewers. As you can see, 96% people are those who are watching our videos for the first time. And on the right side you will see the trending videos in the last 20 days, like the new videos. As you can see, you can also check for the regular ones, the video that I have recently uploaded, and you can check the videos growing your audience. So these are the videos on which our clients are watching most of the video, and we are getting most views. Okay, so new viewers who turned. Okay, so as you can see that on this section, when your viewers on YouTube, so these are the time hours in a day, in every day, at what time our viewers gets online and watch our videos. So we have to schedule our videos at this time. We have to upload our videos content at this time, and as you can see that we have getting views, most of the views from the videos, and everybody watches. Okay, so the device type are mobile device owners. So we should make sure that we produce content that is suitable for the mobile phone users. So that's how basically you can get idea of the audience, and you can get idea of the analytics of your channel, so that you can produce content accordingly, and your watch time will be eventually completed. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.